Over the past 4 weeks, we've been exploring all the different national parks that surround the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. We shot Death Valley on day 1, Bryce Canyon on day 2, Zion on day 3, and Red Rock and Joshua Tree on day 4. Now, even though we stayed in Joshua Tree a little bit late to photograph some stars and do some night photography, I still got up the following morning on day 5 to try and get some better shots at Red Rock Canyon.
Good morning, everybody. It's me, Spencer Lee, back with another video. It is day 5 here in Vegas. I'm losing my voice, and that's okay because we are out here again at Red Rock at sunrise. This time we're here early, so we're waiting for the gate to open. And this time we also have some incredible foggy conditions. So hopefully we can able to get maybe some good light rays. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get light rays, but we'll try and see what we can get. We can actually see the sky, we can see the horizon, which is good, so we'll try and find a good composition that we can use to kind of do both again, like shoot into the sun as well as shoot back towards those beautiful mountains. Fingers crossed that we find something good, but yeah, it's looking pretty amazing. So plan for today, our last day in Vegas, we have to check out of the hotel at 11, and then Justin wants to visit Red Rock, so we're gonna drive back here, take some more pictures, and then you know, go pick up Trader Joe's and all that good stuff, all the usual touristy things that people do in Vegas, and then we'll fly out of Vegas this evening and we'll fly into Oakland International Airport to begin our trip to the Bay Area. So yeah, a lot of fun stuff to do today. I'm tired, I'm running on 4 hours of sleep, but hey, that's what you gotta do to get the shots, you know? But yeah, we'll just see you guys when the park opens and when we get in there, I guess. Alright, so we are in. Now the question is, where do we go? I think if we go to the same spot as yesterday, next to those rocks, I think we might be a bit too close to get the glow on the rocks or any atmosphere. So I think we're gonna have to drive a little bit further in, which is good because I want to get closer to the mountains for, you know, a time lapse of that. But we just got to figure out where the right middle ground is between getting far away enough that we see possibly some light rays, get some atmosphere, but also kind of keep the detail, while at the same time getting close enough to the mountains that you can see enough detail without getting fogged out. So it's like this balancing game between two shots that I want to get. But yeah, we're just going to drive around, go to the different pullovers, take a look, see what it has to offer, and then hopefully get a good shot in the meantime. But yeah, beautiful. Glad we can see the mountains at least from this far away, which means they'll definitely be visible when we're out close. But yeah, some fog would be nice too. Fog and light would be cool as well. So yeah, let's just drive around and see what we can get. Oh. All right, right here is perfect. You can get the sunrise and the atmosphere rising this way, and then we can also get the amazing view of those mountain peaks off in the distance. Oh man, hell to the yes. Found the perfect spot to watch today's sunrise from. All right, first composition down. Mahalo Justin for letting me, I mean, he didn't let me. I kind of just borrowed his tripod and got him out without asking him because he's sleeping. I don't think he would have minded. Wow. This is crazy, this atmosphere. And we just gotta find a comp for that way. Should be pretty easy, I think. Holy smokes. Just that light sliver of glow on the mountain. It looks so cool with all these clouds up top here too. My hope is that the light will pop through and kind of shine down this way on those rocks, giving maybe some nice light rays. So We got the crop sensor camera ready to go at a moment's notice, and I'm hoping that on this side, I guess the fog is clearing a little bit, but we need the fog to just kind of clear all the way so that the light can paint all those beautiful cliffs of the canyon. But whew, this is great. This is awesome. I'm glad we were able to get onto a spot that had both, you know, access to sunrise and sunset. No, well, yeah, technically yes, but access to both, you know, the facing the canyon and away from the canyon on the other side, so we can possibly shoot the atmosphere. But super happy that I sacrificed, you know, a couple of more hours of sleep to, you know, photograph this, because this is unreal. This is amazing. Check out those crazy light rays happening to the sides. Hard to see that way, but there's some clouds to break it up. But wow, that's a cool shot right there. Goodness, the light this way just got good. Just got so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's a mountain peak poking out behind the clouds, behind the fog. Oh man, that's crazy. This is nuts. It's time to take a panorama. Wow, crazy. Take a look this way, guys. Oh, that is sick. Oh my goodness gracious, that is unbelievable. There's the sun. Gotta get a shot of it this way. That is incredible. Oh my goodness. Pictures and video can't convey how beautiful it looks. Oh, this is just One of those moments where you just take it all in and you soak it up. And you just appreciate everything. Unreal. I'm gonna try to do something crazy. I'm gonna try and do a massive panorama all the way across from right to left, both getting the canyon and the other side of the canyon. All right, let's give this a try here. No promises it's gonna turn out good, but we're gonna give it a try. All right, this is our main lookout here at Red Rock. We came yesterday and took a couple shots, but I'm not sure if I vlogged it, but we aren't gonna do it today. It's so crazy because, you know, we're up close and personal with the mountains, but there's still choke atmosphere. And, oh my God, it's just so photogasmic, so crazy, unbelievable. I think I'm always gonna be coming back here because of this. Or maybe I don't even have to come back here at all, to be quite honest, because we pretty much got everything we wanted, at least this go around. But yeah, let me set up a quick time lapse. Hopefully the fog moves around a little bit, gives us a nice little movement, but if not, we have a nice clean shot. But holy smokes, this is some next level stuff, I'm telling you. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't even put this into words. It is so incredible to be here right now. These views are just absolutely insane. So real, so unreal. So real yet so unreal.
After sunrise, I did take Justin back to just kind of look at Red Rock Canyon, but I didn't find any shots that would beat the beautiful atmosphere that we got from this morning. We stopped by Trader Joe's to grab some goodies on the way home. If you're local and from the islands, you know that we all love it when people head up to Vegas, because then we can bring home Trader Joe's and share all the goodies with our families. After that, I broke my Panera Bread virginity and actually indulged in some healthier food instead of all the burgers and fries we've been having for the past couple of days. We then headed to the airport and said our goodbyes. All right, Justin, it was a good trip. Have a safe flight home. See ya. Looking back on this trip, it was very nice and awesome to explore the beautiful desert landscapes, which contrast and are so different than the tropical and scenic views that we have here in Hawaii. While this trip sure was fun and it definitely had its epic moments, driving several hours back and forth from Vegas to all of these national parks is an experience that I would rather not repeat. But exploring the wide variety of locations we did definitely piqued my interest, and I would definitely be interested in returning to each of these national parks, but maybe staying a little bit closer to each of them.
Coming up next week on the Great Mainland Trip of 2022.